YouTubers, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a Dove white soap bar. Alright, now this is a quality grade soap. I mean, I love this soap. I mean, it's really good soap. Y'all should try it. I mean, it's great soap. Alright, so I'm going to get unboxing it. It's going to be hard because I'm using one hand. Voila. There's my bar of soap. It's really nice bar soap. I mean, like, if you, like, it's really good on your legs. I mean, it keeps it soft. And Dove makes the best brands of soap out there. I mean, if you want to buy some bar soap, definitely buy them from them. Don't buy Food Lion brand, but this soap is really good. I'm just saying. And it has, like, this nice little dove on it and another dove on the back. And here's a little box. It's called White Dove Moisturizing Cream. It also makes you nice and soft and stuff like that. But it's a great bar soap. You should definitely go get some. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, or subscribe.